Yeah, I just woke up once. Ay! Oh! Father is ready. Oh my God. Wait. Ah, sandali. Bibilisan ko na. Hold on. Wait. Hmm. Diyan muna kayo sa live ko. Hold on, guys. Mother is ready. Oh my God. I told her to come with me. And then she finished fast. Oh my God. Hold on, guys. I need to prepare and go with mom. Wait a minute. She is so fast. Okay, hold on, everyone. I'm just here. Okay, I'll be back. Wait a moment. She's so fast, my God.